Prestos, Jordan 1s, Air Max 90s, Converse, Off-White. Why does everyone want it to stop? What's good guys, Ash Bash, back again with another episode of Ash Bash Waffles on. And yes, 2 videos in one day. I was actually considering not filming this video because I uploaded my review, which you should check out please if you haven't done that already. But I figured, I did say I'm going to do one every Monday, specifically about my waffle on topic, so that's what your boy's doing. And yes, today's topic is going to be about, ironically or coincidentally maybe, Nike and Off-White. If you didn't see my recent review, it is for the Nike Off-White Prestos. And basically I've seen a lot of talk online about, oh my god, another pair of Off-White Nikes, isn't it getting a bit played out now? And I find it a bit weird when people say that. I think the people that are mainly saying it are people that either copped pairs in the past and they've got like a decent collection already of Off-White stuff, so it's kind of not special to them anymore, or they're being elitist and they think only the OG colorways of the Nike Off-White collab are the only ones that matter. I think that's some people. And then you have just the haters, people that have never got a pair before and they're just like, oh, I'm sick and tired of seeing it every time, because as soon as a pair comes out, generally it blows up, the timeline goes a bit mad for it. But how I see it is, they come out, I think like pretty much every single time, it's every single pair sold out of every single launch they've done, no matter which model. So why will they stop it? People obviously like them. Obviously the majority, no doubt, is being bought to resell, whether resale price is high or low on them. Not my problem to actually care about. But I think as long as the sneaker is hot and people are buying it, why shouldn't they release it? And you being sick and tired of it is up to you. People said they were sick and tired of Yeezys, but as soon as a nice colorway comes out, people are over it again. So I don't think people are really ever sick and tired of a pair. They just kind of want someone to do something new. But we've had Jordan 1s, they came out, what is it, 1984? And it's been forever now. Always re-released, retroed. We don't seem to care about that, so I don't see why people care so much about a collab with Nike and Off-White, why a new colorway pisses people off so much. Like, they've done, what, 3? I think they've done 3 of quite a few pairs. The Jordan 1s, the Prestos now, maybe the Vapor Max, maybe they've only done 2. We've done 2 Zoom Flies. They're coming out with another Air Max 90. Just let them do what they do. If people like it, they like it. If they don't, they don't. Just be happy that a collab is actually coming out, which is something actually good, because there's a lot of whack collabs that come out. And Off-White stuff in general, if you're going to buy like an Off-White product, if you ever looked at the prices, it's actually insane. Like t-shirts are like £300 and stuff. So this is probably the only chance anyone's going to get any Off-White stuff if they even like it in the first place. So I think it's one of them weird ones where people, as usual, go on and on about something being played out or whatever. But if you get a chance to buy it, you're going to buy it and you're going to be gassed about it, or you're going to try and resell it for money. So don't hate on it. Just embrace it. Or if you don't like it, like a lot of stuff that comes out, the Wotherspoons came out. That was all over my timeline. I had zero interest in them. Didn't bother me too much. People like what they like. If they did a restock on them, who knows? I might even get a pair. I might like them. Who knows? You never know what's going to happen. So just relax on the is it played out, is it not played out thing. If it's played out to you, don't cop. But other people are going to cop. And then it is what it is. It's a weird one. I don't get why people care about what people like. I've said it before in videos. You get what you like and who cares. I've had people before asking me like on Instagram, what should I get? Like if I'm starting out sneaker collection, what should I get? And ultimately, the answer is whatever you like. It's not about following what you're seeing on your feed, whatever's cool. That can point you in a direction of what you might end up liking, because there's definitely been pairs that I wasn't interested in until I saw them on Instagram and I was like, actually, that's kind of fire. But I'm not just getting it because people are talking about it. That would be a bit silly and a waste of money. But yeah, that's why this is called Waffling On, because now we're on a totally different subject. But if it comes to anyone new looking to buy sneakers, definitely go for what you like, not for what's just trending or happen to be trending. and definitely go for stuff they're actually going to rock, because buying stuff you're not going to rock is the biggest failure. I've bought pairs, not that I'm not going to rock them, but they're so obscure with the colorway or whatever, it's so tough to rock them. I've got a pair of Sauconys, they are called Summer Nights, I think they're called. I'll throw up a picture if I can be bothered to find one. But I think they're super dope, but the colour on it is just so hard to match, if anything. I rocked them before with some denim and I wasn't super happy when I left the house. And actually bought the denim in the first place thinking, oh, maybe this will kind of be a colour match. I don't need to match everything, but sometimes it can be a bit ugh. So if you're going to be into sneakers, try and find something that does go with stuff you're going to rock. Otherwise, you're going to have an expensive brick sitting there that you can't figure out how to wear it. But yeah, that's what happens with these videos. We go off topic, but hope you enjoyed another little episode of Ash Bash Waffles On. And as I said before, check my review, which I've put up, which will link that down below as well. Follow me on Instagram, which is Ash Bash Sneakers. I uploaded a dope picture. I think it was dope anyways. I had the concept in my head of it and it came out pretty good. I actually took a picture of it before. I just wasn't happy with it. I showed my friend, he said that's sick, but I took it late at night and it just didn't bang like I thought it would. But I finally got one that I like, so check that out as well. And yeah, signing off. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Later.